Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow playground. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a playground. This looks like a small house. Draw a ladder here. I draw the roof. Here, I draw a bridge. Another small house. I draw the roof for it. Now let's decorate it here, like this. Let's draw a spiral slide to the other side. Wow, here comes my favorite! I draw a line here for the floor. We also draw the sun. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I colored the roof of the house with red. It's a triangle shape. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia. Let's use the colors of the rainbow again. Red, then I use orange, yellow, dark green, light blue, purple, and pink. Now I color the spiral slide with red, orange, yellow, and green, light blue, purple, I colored the sun with yellow, I used this green marker for the grassy ground. And I add a little blue in the background. Wow, it looks great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.